Hello welcome guys. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard not working issue in Windows 10. So guys, if you want to fix keyboard not working issue in Windows 10, so very easy. First click on start, type here setting, click on settings. After click on ease of access. After click on keyboard, and after turn on filter keys. Turn on filter keys. And here other option is disable, like this. Big Ben key are present or accept this.
राइट क्लिक स्टार्ट होगा ना
Click on device menu. After right click on start menu and click on device manager. Wait for a while. Now open device manager. And here option keyboard. So click on keyboard. Click click on update device. Choose and browser my computer for divider. Click on let me pick up from and click on start PC/2 keyboard. Cancel and two way. Right click. After click on uninstall device. After click on action and click on scan for hardware change. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix keyboard not working issue in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video and put on more. Thank you for watching.